We cannot force the customer to change. We need to change with the customer. Retail is going towards the experience more than the product.
Everything is sold in the retail world, and technology to help customers engaging either digitally or physically. The stores are the new media. It's full of good value propositions. It's full of inspiring speakers too. Interesting brands, interesting system integrators and partners that can help us bringing even more value to our customers here and in other markets. So very interesting.
We need to connect with other companies, and we need to connect with brands and retail.